Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in this guitar lesson I'm going to be showing you how to play one of the greatest guitar solos of all time, Hotel California by the Eagles. So how this is going to work is I'm going to play the guitar solo, and the tab is going to be scrolling down below, and you can go ahead and play along with me. If you find that it's just too fast, then you want to go under play speed settings and set it to 75 or 50%. I probably wouldn't do 25%, that's way too slow. If you're on a desktop computer, you can go under, you can click on custom, and then you can do increments of 5%. So 50 is too slow, but 75 is too fast, but you can do 60 or 70%, and then kind of work your way up to 100%. So that's how this is going to work. So let's go ahead and take a look at the guitars. If you're looking for a more in-depth discussion of how to play this guitar solo, I'm going to be doing that over on my Patreon page at patreon.com/GuitArmy. I'm going to go through note for note and talk about how I play the guitar solo and talk about all the different bends and kind of licks and tricks to get this done so it sounds accurate. So that was patreon.com/GuitArmy. I'd love to see you over there. If you like this guitar lesson and you want to see more guitar solos, I already have some more over on my YouTube page, but I would love for you to subscribe so you can see all the new ones that I'm going to be coming out with soon. So if you could subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you know when I come out with new lessons, and give this video a like. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next lesson.